99% of men are actively losing attractiveness points because they buy into a massive lie. They waste thousands on expensive skincare and luxury fragrances, unaware that the ultimate grooming cheat code costs less than $5. It sits untouched on supermarket shelves. It's not a luxury brand. It is raw, moisture-locking power. The average man is accidentally sabotaging his looks. Smart men don't buy luxury. They use science to trap moisture, light, and scent for a sharper look. Here is the exact 5-step blueprint to re-engineer your face using a single $5 jar of Vaseline. First, standard cologne vanishes because your body heat dries it out. Melt a jar of pure Vaseline in hot water until it turns clear. Spray your favorite cologne directly into the liquid exactly 20 times. Stir, then freeze it for 3 hours to trap the scent oils. Rub this onto your neck and collarbones. It forces a slow-release scent that lasts 24 hours instead of 3. Second, thin, patchy eyebrows make your face look round and soft. Take a tiny dot of Vaseline on your finger. Stroke the hairs upward and outward. It acts as a natural setter, making the hair stay flat, catch the light, and look naturally darker. This instantly makes your brow ridge look sharper and more masculine. Third, the secret step. Dark circles happen because the skin under your eyes gets thin, showing the dark blood vessels beneath. Every night before bed, put on your usual moisturizer, then dab a thin layer of Vaseline right over the bone under your eye to stop nighttime dehydration. The next morning, wash your face and roll an ice cube under your eyes for 2 minutes. Total deletion of tired eyes. Fourth, frizzy hair. Stray. Messy hairs make you look unkempt, but heavy gels ruin your hair health. Instead, rub a pea size of Vaseline between your palms until they feel warm. Lightly skim the very surface of your hair. This locks out humidity and tames stray hairs without flattening your volume or looking greasy. Fifth, pale, chapped lips look unhealthy. To fix this, put a little coconut oil on a soft toothbrush and gently brush your lips in circles for 1 minute to sweep away dead skin and bring fresh blood to the surface. Immediately put a layer of Vaseline on top. It seals the moisture underneath, keeping your lips smooth and full for 12 hours. 6. Rub a tiny layer strictly along the edge of your jawbone and under your chin. By placing a light-catching layer exactly on the bone edge, you create a harsh contrast with a natural shadow under your neck. This visual trick tricks the eye, making your jawline look instantly sharper and more chiseled under any lighting. An attractive face isn't bought. It is built through simple, daily discipline. Stop making excuses.